informal webinar discussion. I will just share the context so that you can just send your questions over email whatsoever. I know there may be all good possibilities of mass production, and then banana tree is the one wasted. Now trying to convert into certain usable item, let's say waste to gold. So similarly, we have so many varieties. Kewa, machine making, machine I got only a whole variety going on. And today the technology is mass production, so we have to make it more competitive, and that's why we can think of lasting fees, harmony, lasting finding will be, or when it's already reservation the government can provide plans, policies, initiatives, but this will not be the business the way that is private party that we have the so that they will be lasting so much of opportunity business we have so many things, we have so many points to be discussed with. It is already going to be 6 now, already crossed 6. So I am very much thankful to each one of you. You people are sitting late evening, and then I know you people are having the passion, and that's why at least you will be able to do something unique, something special, something better than many others. And definitely all of you will be leading a life which many people can't afford to have. So that's why let's hope for the best, let's work together, and today is just the beginning, and we have to travel minds together. So wish you all the best. Thank you everyone.